Good evening, everyone. Well, this station a concept station, and today I give the dark media of my video I can pull say na concept station. Well, this thing just come to my mind. Say I for remind some plenty people and for know about. um well, we see the whole world reveal say the Jamaicans them na at the top in terms of music singing according to the way of life of living. Well, let's assume say the whole world been there into that same cannabis sativa way everybody see say Jamaicans now their own culture and take us um because to the whole as hypothesize all over the world cannabis they go, but not to everybody believe in say na drugs when na herbal drugs. Yeah, not to all country legalize. Even Jamaica I'm not sure say it legalize, but then take as in culture. um for some of us we don't go through life, we don't watch the dunya. Like for me, this idea I bring up come nobody not instigate somebody for focus on drugs, any type of drugs, especially cannabis. This we on country we dey call am jamba, we say Thai. Well, nobody not confuse you for the into a life. Because a life of full of worry, full of stress, but you not go able to talk am because the fact as you dey into him, you don't addict into jamba smoking, cannabis, marijuana, you dey into always you get worry in your life. Observe the Jamaicans there, the one there from the back in days, then Joseph Hills, even they perform self, observe the performance I dey see. Then Bob Marley, I remember now, but the one that we they see presently, Vibes Cartel, Movado, yeah, them being the man, then look presently now, the world and new life we can take and say, well, let's take a small example. That kind of voice where Jamaicans say they pull per music. They used to don't now you focus into now. You go like forget them kind of voice and they, but they not go able because that's something where they into them. But as soon as you get confused, come into that life, you self not go able to talk out. Like carry them back and secret into there. But me as a victim, I don't live some lives. I know the truth because in Sierra Leone we are convinced about our friends say that thing where you take it get sense in school. It get sense now where you study it get sense. Me I know. I don't go through a lot in terms of education from JSS to senior level. Now when you study, you come addict into study, you like your book they become part of you. Not always smoke marijuana. So this now advice now the concept station because we can't hear about all over the country for the give sensitization. Moreover, those that are victims and give them counselings. Well, this not just like counseling to the one who are victim and the one there where they just grab up. Yeah, wait to get for tell the one there where they grab up for listen to. And I like the kind of concepts there how they put into platforms there. And the elders there where they listen with. Now according to what he put as concepts, they make people and believe you say you know somebody will focus in mind. So you meditate over that say this talk where the boy they talk. Where we on board at the talk so. I think over I remember Jamaican wall and the whole world if not the same in terms of character, attitude, behavior, not because of that one girl CD, that one girl live day. Now in they change their new life so because every world, every planet get in your way of living. But this planet Earth, the Jamaicans say, we don't hail them say dem na people dem wey na number one, but put yourself into their shoes. If na been you dey make, so you go like that kind lifestyle, you no go able. You no go able. Think about dredge. When you put that dredge na a concept, focus, sober mind, person, somebody being, or lie. The way first how you go down dey say sand say dey calm, the way you don tight, they make you dey pull that dredge. But I go able talk her dey into the life. The life don chronic for now. Eyes dey all the raw. But as soon as you get confused, you enter into the life, you sef no go able talk her. And that na the only secrets. But somebody wey don turn victims, wey don come out of her, like me, I go able tell others. I hope say all go listen. Yes, moreover, all the talk and for let person no go back in foot. Then you want come back to my more, and for the youths wey dey gap up, then we don't see something before them. Then we elders they don't see something before we. Some of we, if we don't aware, so now the awareness then they were. Thank you all guys.